What is up guys, and welcome back to my channel. After replacing the radio, I also decided to replace the front speakers. Both screws on the cover must be unscrewed that you have access to the speaker. Lift the cover with a trim remover to remove it. After the cover has been removed, you can pull out the old speaker. This speaker is held in place with clips on the side. Now you can unplug the cable. And these are the new speakers. I will not share any technical specs here. You shouldn't expect any magic from speakers that small. But I can tell you will hear a huge difference to the stock speakers. I also ordered adapter cables because I didn't want it to cut the wiring. After plugging in the adapter cables, first perform a test fit to check that the speaker fits. In my case, I need to saw out part of the plastic bracket. Now the speaker fits nicely and I can screw on the cover in reverse order. And that's it for this episode. Like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already to support my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.